Step 1. Turn transmitter key in EZS, control unit to position 0 and remove to prevent unintentional starting of the engine. Step 2. Unclip air intake pipe, shown here in number 2, from air filter housing, shown here in number 3, and place to one side. Step 3. Loosen hose clamp, shown here in number 4. Step 4. Lift or jack up the vehicle. Step 5. Unscrew bolts, shown here in number 5, and pull off charge air pipe, shown here in number 6, from compressor, shown here in number 7, fasten charge air pipe, shown here in number 6, to the underfloor. Close off the openings with a Step 6. Loosen pulley V-belt, shown here in number 1. Step 7. Remove pulley V-belt, shown here in number 1. Installation. Put pulley V-belt, shown here in number 1, in place according to the routing diagram. See running diagram of pulley V-belt, shown here in number 1. Step 8. Check belt pulley profile, guide pulleys and clamping device. Installation. Replace belt pulley profile, guide pulleys and clamping device in case of damage. Step 9. Check pulley V-belt, in number 1, for wear and damage. Installation. Replace pulley V-belt, in number 1, if necessary. Step 10. Install in the reverse or